So today we're here at the University Center of Lake County to talk about really our vision for a crisis center in Lake County. This is something that many people in the criminal justice system and social service agencies and really families have talked about a real need for. Many times people living with serious mental illness find themselves in the criminal justice system, and if we had a crisis center, it would really provide a different place for law enforcement to take them so that they can really get the services that they need.
We're doing a workshop here today to get everybody in, to see where everybody stands. We need input from the community. Today among us are representatives from state office, county board members, hospitals, board of health, health department, behavioral health service, community service, law enforcement, dispatchers, fire department, housing, education, employment, justice, and construction.
The idea for this meeting here is identify the gaps, identify the strengths and weaknesses of the agencies that are represented here, and where the overlap can assist in those gaps to allow us to serve more people in a more effective way.
What came out of today's session was really that we need to have better data to understand the population that we may need to serve. So this is going to require law enforcement, hospitals, and other entities to provide that data so that we can really determine what type of facility would we need, what type of services would we need to provide to our clients and patients that would be dropped off at those locations.